Let me just go ahead and add a border to this. So let's say what I want to do is I want to duplicate this out. In that case, I can simply go ahead and right click and copy it and then paste it out right here to create a duplicate of it right here. I can also press Ctrl C on my keyboard and Ctrl V to duplicate it out as well and place it wherever I want. So you may have different shapes as well, just like this. So if I want to create a copy of this, then I can simply press Ctrl C and Ctrl V right here, and then a duplicate is made. So here you can see that this is what you have, and you can press Ctrl V over here as well, and the same shape actually comes up over here as well. So now let's say what I actually want to do is copy out the contents of the entire scene and create a new scene. In that case, you can simply go ahead and right click right here, and then you can see that duplicate scene is an option. Once you do that, you can see that there's two scenes with the same elements, and then you can go ahead and make changes to it as you want as well. You can click and drag this around over here, and that is what you have as well, as you can see, just like this. And that is how you can go ahead and duplicate out elements in Canvas and even duplicate scenes as necessary inside of Google Vids. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.